Okay, so today's lunch, I'll be cooking this delicious bihon plus Pancit Miki, one of the Filipino favorite na pagkain. So yan, what I will be needing into this cooking, of course, is skinless chicken, and then garlic, onion, and then celery, carrots, and then cabbage. And of course, I'll be adding also this bean sprout, yeah, more on protein. And of course, I'll be using, in terms, when it comes to frying, I'll be using the olive oil, and then of course, soy sauce, and then the pepper. All right, so that's all the ingredients that I'll be needing into this cooking. So I can't really wait to show you all.